Okay. Assalamualaikum and good morning. May I help you?
Waalaikumsalam. I interest to apply the term deposit account and I need to open it.
Oh, I see. Please wait. Okay. This is your queue number. Please have a seat.
Okay, thank you, sir.
1001. Please come to the counter.
Hi, sir.
Hi, welcome. Hi, I'm Mohammed Shamil. I heard that you are interested in our term deposit account, right? First, can I get your application form and your ID first? Thank you. Sir Shazwan, can I know what's your occupation?
I work as a land writer. I want to deposit my money to term deposit account. Let me say that it offers more profit than CASA, which is current account and savings account. So, which differences between conventional and Islamic term deposit account?
Okay, alright. I will explain to you. These two offer the same income, but Islamic it based on tawaruk contract, which is based on markup sale, while the conventional is based on interest. In Islam, Allah prohibited us to take any interest, but the trade is permissible. Now, next, in terms of investment, Islamic product we only invest in Islamic Sharia compliant company, while conventional openly invest in other conventional Sharia or non-Sharia compliant. And the last one, conventional term deposit offer risk transfer, which means the depositor will bear minimal risk while the bank guarantees the return of principal amount along with the interest, regardless of the bank's performance. So I think you should take the Islamic term deposit account.
Oh, please come to the counter.
I will choose to take Islamic term deposit.
Islamic, we have two products, which is maturity return and monthly return. Which one do you prefer?
May I see the benefit and profit rate first?
In general, high tenure, high profit. Wait. And this is our profit rate based on CIMB Bank.
Oh, I'm interested to maturity return since it's more profitable. One more, since I'm interested in this product, can you explain more about the Sharia contract that you mentioned earlier? What's that? Yeah. Tawaruk, right?
Exactly. I will explain to you how tawaruk works. Tawaruk is a contract which bank will buy commodities in with higher price. I will give you scenario so you will understand it easily.
Please come to the counter.
Assume a customer have 10,000 ringgit and apply for term deposit account. Then the bank will purchase commodity on behalf of the customer with 10,000 ringgit. Then the deferred sale agreement. The bank sells the commodities to the customer with 10,000 with the total 10,600 ringgit. It will be payable for 1 year. Then the 600 will become the profit margin. The last one will be immediate sale. Customer will sell it immediately 10,000 for the cash. This sale can be facilitated by bank, often through a third party buyer. So, in conclusion, after 1 year, the customer will pay 10,600 ringgit to the bank, effectively earning a profit of 600 ringgit over the term of the fixed deposit.
Oh, great! It is interesting and there is something new that I learned. It is open to all or there in any requirements and criteria that must be fulfilled to apply this.
Yes, it is open for 18 years old and above. We must get proof for your identity, just show your IC or passport. It have minimal deposit placement of 5,000 ringgit for tenure of 1 month and 10,000 ringgit for tenure of 2 to 16 months. Deposit increment in multiples of 1 ringgit. Are you having saving account or current account before?
Yes, I have saving account. And about how long to keep, I'm not sure yet. What will happen after end of tenure?
Term deposit account will be automatically renewed on the date or each day of maturity at the bank's prevailing board profit rate applicable, unless the account holder has given the instruction not to renew or roll over the account for term deposit placement at any bank's branches.
What happens if I withdraw some amount before maturity date?
Partial withdrawal of amount in term deposit before maturity is allowed, subject to reduction in payment of profit in accordance with clause 60.7.
What will happen to inactive or dormant account?
The bank may choose not to issue any statement if the FD account is inactive for any period decided by the bank. The bank may also stop issuing statement if the statement is unclaimed or undeliverable for any reason.
So, how can I close my account?
The term deposit account can be closed by the account holder in person or by sending in written notification at any time. When the account holder withdraw the entire balance TD in the term deposit account, the term deposit account will be considered closed.
Nice, it's clear explanation from you. Now, I want to proceed with that.
Great. May I have all your documents first?
For sure.
Thank you. I will get the approved for the document first. Please have a seat.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you. Welcome, sir. May I come in? This document about customer that want to open term deposit account. May you give some approval?
Okay, but let's check first.
Alright. Alright.
Here you go.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome.
Encik Syazwan. Great news. Your account has been activated. Here's the certificate of your deposit account.
Oh, thank you.
If there are any problem, just contact us.
Alright, sir.
Thank you.
Hi, this is the counter.
Yes, sir.
So actually, I want to take the loan, sir. I want to apply the loan for the car loan. Can you help me, sir?
Okay, sir. We have a seat.
Thank you.
What are the details of the vehicle you are looking to finance?
Actually, I want to import the car. Buy the import car. It is non-national car, and I need it as soon as possible.
I see. In that case, our vehicle financing product hire purchase Islamic, which means al-ijarah summa al-bay, might be the perfect solution for you. It's a Sharia compliant financing option that can provide you with an attractive margin of financing and competitive profit rate.
Sharia compliant. What is that? Will that be a problem for me? I'm not very familiar with this, Islamic banking. Usually I just go for the loan for the car. But is there any difference between the Islamic banking and the conventional banking?
Not at all, sir. The vehicle financing Islamic is designed to be accessible and user-friendly for all our customers, regardless of their religious background. The main distinction is that Islamic financing is based on Sharia principles, which is prohibit interest, riba, and other restrictions like alcohol, gambling, and so on. Instead of interest, Islamic financing use concepts like profit sharing, leasing, and sale-based contract to generate returns. In addition, Islamic financing customer-bank relationship is more of a partnership, while conversion is a creditor-debtor relationship. Do you want to know how it works?
Okay, please do. Time is the most essential.
As I said earlier, the vehicle financing is based on the Sharia principle of al-ijarah summa al-bay', which allows us to provide you with an attractive margin of financing and competitive profit rates. Let me explain how it works. First, the bank will purchase the vehicle from the dealer on your behalf. Then, the bank will lease the vehicle to you for an agreed period, usually up to 9 years.
I see, but I want to buy the car, not to lease it. And what happened after the lease period?
Okay, after the lease period, you will have the option to purchase the vehicle from the bank at an agreed price. This is known as a buy or sale part of the contract.
Oh, that makes sense. I'd like to know more about this vehicle financing product.
Certainly, the vehicle financing which means Islamic, allows for up to 90% financing of the vehicles on the road price with a maximum tenure of 9 years. The profit rates range from 2.2% up to 2.4% per annum for non-national model. We understand the importance of a smooth and efficient process, Mr. Ibrahim. That's why we have approved your application promptly, given the completeness of your submission and your strong financial standing.
Sounds very appealing. What the eligibility criteria and the required document for me to apply this financing?
Certainly, to be eligible for the vehicle financing, you must be an individual aged between 18 to 60 years at the end of the payment period. The second one is be a Malaysian citizen. The third is have a fixed income, such as a salaried employee. As for the required documents, we'll need the first one is photocopy of your identity card, your IC, and driving license. The second one is latest 3 months salary slip and bank statement.
That sounds reasonable. So what about the application process? How quickly can I get this approved?
We understand the urgency, sir. Once you have submitted the completed application form and all the required documents, will review your case promptly. Our goal is to provide a fast turnaround, usually within a few working days, subject to the completeness of your submissions.
Oh, sounds good. So is there any compensation if something happens to me?
In the event of death, total and permanent disability, or accidental death, the takaful policy will pay off the outstanding financing based on the table of benefits.
Oh, that's very reassuring. So, what about the takaful policy itself?
About the takaful policy covers you against unforeseen death or total permanent disability. It will pay off the outstanding financing based on the table of benefits.
But what if it happens that I cannot pay the loan? If something happens to me?
In the event of the default, the bank will follow the Sharia principles and procedures for repossession and disposal of the vehicle. The bank will also charge a default fee, and any other applicable charges.
That is exactly what I need to hear. So, can you please give me the application form? I will fill it right away.
Certainly, sir. Here you go.
Okay.
Please let me know if you have any questions or need any assistance during the process. I will be here to support you.
Thank you. I appreciate your help. I will get this done as soon as possible.
Excellent, sir. Mr. Ibrahim, I look forward to receiving your application. Best of luck with your vehicle purchase.
Hello? Yes, I am Ibrahim. Oh, hello, Mr. Shazwan. Oh, that's a great news. Thank you for your help, and I'm really appreciate for the bank fast response. Oh yes, I'd like to meet with him. Okay, thank you. Assalamualaikum. Sir.
Waalaikumsalam.
Good morning, sir.
Morning, sir. Have a seat.
Okay, thank you, sir.
You are Mr. Ibrahim, right?
Yes, I am.
I have here the news that first I want to get to that the proof of your financing vehicle.
Okay.
Okay. Now I want to explain to you about the contribution. In public bank, we will finance up to 90% of the vehicle on the road price. Do you have the details about the car, such as model, price, or anything?
Actually, the detail of my car is I want to buy this Mercedes-Benz car.
Okay.
So and the price is 100,000, and the dealer say to me that I need to pay for the 10% of the down payment.
Okay, you said that your car is 100,000,
Yes.
and then we will times it with 90%, so we will give you about 19,000 ringgit.
Oh, okay.
So your contribution will be, as you said, 10,000 ringgit.
10,000 ringgit for my contribution.
Yes.
But how about my monthly installment?
Okay. For your monthly installment, based on the financing amount, which is 19,000, and a tenure of 9 years, your monthly installment will be in range of 2.2% to 2.4% annum of the finance amount.
Okay, and how much did I need to pay if my income is 3,000 per month?
Based on your income 3,000, your monthly installment would be approximately 1,500 ringgit. This means you need to pay an 86 installment of 9 years.
9 years, eh?
Does this fit within your budget?
Oh, okay. So, is there any other fees or any other charge that might be applied to me?
There are some fees and charges associated with this financing, such as retrieval of documents, issuance of letters, and other administrative costs. These fees are detailed in product disclosure sheet.
Okay, so I think this is work perfectly for me. So I am comfortable with this money installment. So I agree.
We'll be glad we could assist you, Mr. Ibrahim. The fund will be transferred directly to the car's dealer account within the next 2 working days. So you will receive a confirmation once the transaction is complete.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Okay.
Sir Shamil.
Yes.
Okay, thank you very
If
much.
you have anything you want to ask, you can contact us.
Okay, thank you.